Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pH testers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Apera Instruments AI209 Waterproof pH Tester. Apera Instruments pH 20 Value pH Tester Kit holds the first position in our list because of its quick and reliable pH measurement reputation. It features advanced auto recognition of a smiley face that reminds us to take the guesswork out of getting a standard measure. It works in a dependable pH or temperature assessing performance with a single catch in a thin body. It is ideal to use in general water solutions, like pools and spas, hydroponics, aquarium and aquaculture, horticulture, beverage making, water treatment, environmental monitoring, etc. The intelligent functions of automated 1 to 3-point calibration with ATC make it unique. Moreover, it has an auto power-off option, enabling it if it is not used for 8 minutes, and indicates a low battery and supports the switch of standard pH series and temperature unit F or C. It accommodates simple auto calibration 3 to 4.00, 7.00, 10.01, and 0 to 60 C auto temperature compensation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Apera Instruments AI311 Premium Pocket Tester Kit. Apera manufactures this premium pH tester kit, especially for professionals who regularly measure pH level for general water application. The accuracy level it provides ranges from plus or minus 0.01 picohenries plus or minus 1 digit in temperature of plus or minus 1 F, plus or minus 0.5 C. It can show accurate results of pH level in hydroponics, water treatment, pools and spas, aquarium, aquaculture, and other projects. At the time of pH testing, it can adjust automatically with the temperature coverage from 32 to 122 F. Further, the sensor shield on top of the probe protects the sensitive glass layer from any accidental breakages. The 3 points can automatically calibrate with a variety of 1.68, 4.00, 7.00, 10.01, and 12.45 picohenries buffers. The advanced self-diagnosis option in the tester can instantly notify by lighting up the red backlight if anything wrong happens during calibration and suggest the solution. As well as, the optional automatic reading lock holds itself to provide an uninterrupted manual reading. The sensitive lithium glass membrane ensures accurate and stable analyses with a fast response. In our view, this pH tester would be a good investment for accurate and precise services. At number 3, we have the SX610 Waterproof pH Pen Tester. Apria Instruments SX610 is a compact and small pen-style pH tester that comes with a single button operation. You can carry this portable tester anywhere in your pocket. It provides reliable and accurate measurement at plus or minus 0.1 pH with a 0 to 14.0 pH measuring range. The temperature can switch from F to C. Moreover, the auto temperature compensation provides accuracy in variable temperatures between 0 to 60.0 C. The tiny 8 mm pH probe is replaceable and proper for test tube scaling. It can recall a low battery signal by an alarm system, and probe invalidation reminds you to replace it. It comes in a complete kit including batteries and a portable carrying case. It is also waterproof and dustproof that floats on water. It can be used for different purposes like hydroponics, aquaculture, water treatment, pools and spas, etc. It is CE and RoHS certified. Overall, it has a simple single-point calibration that took under a minute to complete the process within a budget. At number 2, we have the Bluelab Metcom Combo Tester for pH. It is a large tester with all-in-one solution for pH, temperature, and conductivity. The manufacturer concentrates on ergonomic features of it to assist with regular use in differing grow environments. It is famous mostly because it doesn't require a power supply to operate. Also, it doesn't need any calibration for conductivity and temperature. Due to simple 2-point pH calibration, the testing becomes so simple with accurate results. In addition, the double junction probe enhances higher accuracy. The measurement scale in EC, CF, ppm 500, TDS, and ppm 700 for conductivity can be customized by preference to increase user convenience. Also, the temperature is changeable from degree C to degree F or vice versa. Besides, it features auto shut-off when it is not in use. The display of this product is large and clear. Overall, it can deliver a fast and accurate result. And finally at number 1, we have the Apera Instruments SX620 Pen pH Tester Kit. Apera Instruments is a reputable manufacturer of different testers, and the SX620 pH pen tester is one of them that is featured with a dependable pH temp, measuring performance with a single capture in a thin body. It provides a reliable testing result for pools, hydroponics, aquaculture, cooling towers, beverage making, body fluid, etc. Further, the automatic 3-point calibration gives an accurate result at 0.01 pH range, and these 3 pre-mixed calibration solutions, 4, 7, 10, come along with the tester. Besides, the probe is replaceable, so you don't need to dispose of the full tester when the test mature. Users can switch temperatures from F to C. The intelligent auto shut-off option increase the tester's lifespan. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.